In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the X.com or Twitter app issue where you can't change your display name. This is a really frustrating problem because you may type in a new name, tap Save, and nothing happens. Or you may see an error and the update just refuses to go through. The good news is that in many cases, this is not a permanent issue, and there are a few simple fixes you can try before giving up. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is wait for some time and try again later. Sometimes this problem is caused by a temporary server issue, a rate limit, or a short-term account restriction on the X platform. If that's the case, the change may work after a little while. So before doing anything else, close the app, wait a bit, and then try changing your display name again. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next fix. The second fix is to clear the site data. If you are using X in a browser, old cookies, cached files, or stored session data can interfere with account changes. To clear site data, go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or Site Settings section, and remove the saved data for X.com or Twitter.com. After that, completely close the browser and reopen it, then sign back in and try updating your display name again. If you are using the app, you can also try clearing the app cache from your device settings if that option is available. Now, if that still does not solve the issue, try using Incognito Mode. Open a private or incognito window in your browser. Go to X.com, log in again, and attempt to change your display name from there. Incognito Mode starts with a clean session, so it can help you bypass problems caused by corrupted cookies, old login data, or browser conflicts. In many cases, this is enough to get the name change to go through successfully. If you've tried all of these steps, and the display name still won't change, then the issue may be on X's side or tied to your specific account status. In that case, it can help to wait and try again later, or check whether your account has any restrictions. But for most users, one of these three fixes will usually solve the problem. So to quickly recap, first, wait some time and try again later. Second, clear the site data. And third, try Incognito Mode. These simple steps fix a lot of X and Twitter display name issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.